a genocide of a people. Please, 4 times I've been to Palestine as a nurse. I paid for myself to go. They are hearing me. This man is wearing a Palestinian ring. They are all Muslim. This is a genocide of a Muslim people by Zionists.
They can't hear you. They can't hear you. They're not hearing you. They can't hear you.
Please.
They can't hear you.
I'm a nurse. I saw them shooting people in refugee camps.
They are waiting for orders and that's it.
I know.
They can't hear you.
But they don't have to follow the orders.
No, they are following.
They can allow us to stand
They
for
say
Palestine.
they are saying that they don't have choice. Like they don't
You
have
do have a choice. You're humans. We're here for humanity. You are part of humanity. You are my brother. In Islam, you are my brother.
Are you Muslim?
Please, I had them saw them shooting pregnant women, Muslim women. These people aren't Muslims that are doing this. They're Zionists. They're not Jewish. Please, I stand for Islam. I stand for the people of Palestine. I'm a nurse and I'm a pacifist. I've come here out of love for my brother, my human brothers. I'm a nurse. I saw them shooting women. I saw them shooting children. Have you ever heard a starving child cry? Have you ever heard an Arabic woman trying to breastfeed her flaccid child as it dies and her breasts are empty because she's been starved? Please. I can't explain to you the horror. I can't explain to you the smell of starving babies. Kalb, where is your heart? Where is your heart? I believe that the people of the Arabic nations have a white heart. I belie you are good people. They are starving children. I tried to feed these children and they shot at me. For love, for humanity, for Islam, stand with your Islamic peoples. Please stand with your Islamic brothers and sisters. They welcomed me into their heart. I paid to go there as a nurse. They beat me in the desert for feeding starving Islamic children. Where is your qalb? Where is your heart? For the love of life and for the love of humanity. They're babies and women. The women are trying to feed their dying babies and their breasts are empty. Do you know what that smells like? Do you know what that sounds like? For humanity and for love, stand with your brothers and sisters in Palestine. I have never seen or experienced anything like it. Please. I beg you, I'll go onto my knees and I will beg you for these people. I'm a proud man and I'm a nurse. I paid to go to Palestine myself. I've had babies die in my arms. They shot pregnant women in front of me. For the love of humanity and for the love of Islam, please don't do this. Allow us to march to Gaza. We're peaceful people, we're good people. We're Muslims, we're Christians, we're atheists, we're Jews. We are humanity. We are here for humanity. What are you here for? You don't have to do this. You don't have to follow the orders. Please, I'll go onto my knees and I will beg you. Allow us to march to Palestine. Please, you've got to listen to me. 30 years I've worked emergency. I've been to